Welcome to Valtron Indonesia, your integrated portal for all types of jobs and communities. We are committed to being a real solution, uniting the diversity of all activities and supporting connection facilities. Our goal is to boost the economy of communities from various regions, fostering economic revival within a single platform. Moving forward, we will use our application named Value to build connectivity that is equal, inclusive, and sustainable for everyone.
Greetings of prosperity. We are rich together.
Satu wadah tersedia, Anda bebas memilih.
Valtron Indonesia Mulia connects you to abundance. We believe nothing truly happens by coincidence. With just one connection, everything you need is available. You are free to choose. Prosperity greetings. We get rich together.
Salam kemakmuran. Salam kemakmuran untuk kita semua.
Kami pusat informasi bangkit, jaya, jaya, jaya Valtron Indonesia, membangun negeriku dengan energimu, kekuatanmu. Kami genggam erat kebersamaan, masuk kejayaan, kemudahan akses, kesejahteraanmu. Kita mampu, kita bisa. Kami pusat penghulu, tujuanmu kamu raih. Ayo bergabung bersama Valtron Indonesia Mulia. Valtron Indonesia, kami kamu, kami satu, kamilah cahayanya Nusantara. Bersama kita kuat, bersama kita hebat. Kibarkan sang merah putih di negeri nan makmur. Kita mampu, gemah ripah lo jinawi. Jayalah Valtron Indonesia, mercusuarnya dunia. Nusantara damai, Indonesia aman, Indonesia jaya, Indonesia makmur.